Many patients complain about this snoring. That means the karate, and every night, mainly the family members suffer because of the that snoring. And in past history, we found that patient is suffering with the allergies, dust allergy, asthma, or the DNS or deviation of nasal septum or the nasal cyst. In such condition, Ayurveda is the best treatment and non-surgical treatment for the patient in this disease. Trikuta, Suntha, Mire, Pimpadi, given to the patient 1 or 2 tablets twice a day, and also the nasal drops given to the patient, which is made up of the medicated cow ghee and cow milk, and also the almond oils. Also the nasal drops given up to the 11 to 21 trays, and in this condition also there is aloe vera juices also given to the patients, aloe vera and haldi, and sometimes amrut leaves, patte. It is that means it has to given to the patient for the gargles, and everyday gargles given to the patient with some sanchar and honey once, twice, or thrice a day. In this way, we found that the snoring get its complaint gets down day by day, and within the 11 or the 21 days of the treatment, patient get complete relief from this snoring.